In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save page as template in Elementor. So in order to save page as template, what we can do is we can head over to elementor.com, log in into your account, or click on the this get started option right here in order to create one. Now let's head over and host Elementor using our WordPress. Go to wordpress.com, then click on the this get started if you do not have an account yet, or click on the this login if you already have one. In my case, I already have an account and this is what my website looks like. So here's my website and it's actually quite short for now. And I want to use this About Us page as a particular template. In order to do that, head over to the pages of your actual WordPress dashboard. Here it is right here on the Elementor. Click on this Edit with Elementor option that we can see right here in order to open it using our Elementor editor. Now, in order to save this page as a template, what we can do is we can head over it and then make sure that everything is correct. First thing you need to do is to click on this arrow down option. And in here, save this first as a draft so you won't lose it. And next is to click on this arrow down icon again and click onto this Save as Template. Once you have done that, it will open in here this. Just giving here your template a name. So for example, let's name this default 1. You can add it on your site template or on your cloud templates. I'll add it on my site templates and it can actually already be used, so it's always ready when editing this website. Click onto the save option right here in order to save this. And as you can see, it's now added right here. You can view it, insert it, and you can see who created it as well as when it was created. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.